Alright, what's good, TDF Crew? So today, we're actually going to be taking off the upper lower control arms and the rear upper control arms and replacing them with the control arms that I got from FCP Euro, as well as the ones that I got from AutoZone. Now, if you remember from the last video, I did say that the ones from AutoZone were the wrong part. So my father is actually on his way to the AutoZone that has them right now, which is like, I think like 30-40 minutes away. So it's going to take him a little while. He's on his way to pick those up now, so I'm just going to be trying to get these old ones off and maybe inspect them, see what they look like, whatever. And then I'll do a couple clips of us putting them back on. So that's what's going on today. So right now, so far the wheels are already off, and I'm just loosening some bolts to get the control arms out. So let's go ahead and get to that. Alright, so I'm kind of going off another YouTube video that I saw, but the first step to loosen this bolt and this one, and there's a nut on the back too on that bottom one. So I'm going to go ahead and loosen those. I really don't have the best camera angles, but I'm gonna do the best that I can. Yeah, use a do-rag. But one more thing that I forgot to mention, when you're doing this replacement, I guess you call it, remove the splash guard. Mine was already removed from the last time we worked on the car, but just, I think it's like 10mm bolts, and they're like real easy to take off. So just go ahead, when you jack the car up, remove that. It's gonna make it easier to access some of the stuff under the car. All right. So what you gonna say in your debut to the YouTube channel?
You don't want me to say that right now. Bring that jacket over here.
So we run into an issue, same issue we had with the tie rods. We got the control arm out. We were struggling with that at first. We got it out, but the sleeve bushing that goes inside where the control arm goes came out with it. It's like attached to the control arm. So we're heating it up so we can make it easier to get off. See how long this takes.
Long enough. See where they was at. I mean, all the boots busted, but so we put it under the frame back here. Probably had to get it from the back.
Hey, sucks on your blog. I'm gonna kick him in his
Tutor.
vlog.
Well, you know what I'm talking about. Under those cables, those brake lines and stuff. Yeah. It ain't fitting in there either.
It is. It's just getting this.
Make sure you don't
Puncture no line.
Yeah.
did you get that?
You need to put this in first?
So I tried to do is know where to put that in.
Am I supposed to be recording now?
I'll just edit it out.
Huh?
I'll edit it out.
Put that white one over top of it. See that white?
Yes.
That just rubber on that right side?
It's like so.
Is it not fitting in there?
Can't get this side in.
First time using the torque wrench?
Sure.
You sure the other one ain't turning, right?
Yes.
There it is, huh?
Yep.
Is that 3 turns? Or 23 turns?
Lost count. Alright, this not set. This car's warm.
You think you top flight now, don't you, boy?
Damn.
That one bad?
Definitely.
Right. That's bad.
That's real bad. Too much play. Alright, so this one, you see it's stiff. This one is not.
How you did this? Had to pry the drum out or something.
Brake line.
Turn it. Oh, yeah, you gotta turn it to the front. So don't try to line the back up yet.
You were saying?
Put it on the caliper right here on the hard part. Oh, you got it in there now, huh?
Yeah. Most part. Still recording?
Yeah. There you go.
That one was so much easier. Because I showed you how to do it. Black. I thought the boat was supposed to be black and red and colored.
Put that one up. Push that one for me, man.
Got it.
Record and
You still recording?
yeah.
Oh,
I just got to
quick on.
put the clip on.
Smaller hands, easier for me to get in here. What sound like a diesel just went by. Oops.
Can't be working on no E39 talking about diesels.
I mean, that's next. Well, they didn't know that yet, but now they know. Diesel is probably next.
Psych!
This side was so easy. That's ridiculous. Yeah, it's 22-inch bolt right here. Right here. And 10-inch right 10 millimeter right here. So yeah, you want to get a 22 right on there. 10. Can't see me doing looking at the camera. Right there to keep the ball joint still while you tighten it.
What's good, TDF crew? So we're back again, another video. Today should actually be a pretty interesting video because if all goes as planned, we should be taking the car back to inspection today, and hopefully it should pass this time because we fixed what was wrong on the last inspection. What made it fail the last time we went through inspection, we fixed all of that, so it should pass this time. So I'm actually on my way to AutoZone right now to pick up some oil because my oil is actually like extremely low in the car. So I'm gonna put some oil in there, just a little bit, and do an oil change later down, like soon, like the next couple of weeks or so. But put some oil in, then me and my daddy will take it to the inspection shop, but they're also gonna align it at and hope for the best. So I'll see y'all. You know, I don't know when I'm gonna pick back up, but you know, I'll catch up with y'all later. Alright, let that drain out, put these bottles away, and I'm gonna start it up, get up to operating temp, and go from there.